Morning.
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 Good morning.
What just happened? It was data? Morning, morning.
I don't think there was data. I didn't see anything.
Is it Trump? It maybe a tweet? Tariff again? Oh, tariff on movies. Okay. Crazy open for now.
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking for a pullback to Friday high. I don't know if we're gonna have that, but that's what I want to play today.
A pullback to where?
Okay, Nvidia, pretty strong. 600 is an important level on QQQ, and it's rejecting right now.
Mm-hmm.
NQ definitely stronger than ES. I think it's Nvidia. Nvidia is crazy strong. These are only daily support and resistance. No. Also, um, overnight support and resistance. For me, I call that pre-market. But the 600 on QQQ, yes, is a daily resistance.
I'm watching this 6720 here on ES. We're kind of like grabbing that open liquidity here, looking to see if we get a push off of this and if NQ wants to actually push back to retest the pre-market high,
Yeah, NQ is trying
900s.
to hold. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Another ugly open.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, very, very weak. But I have a support level here around 719, 718. It's trying to hold, but it's still looking pretty weak. I like this reaction here. Yes, under 720, 718. I think it's pretty weak, but it's fighting that support.
This looks like ES wants to push if we can, if NQ can push these 900s.
Mm-hmm.
But
NQ's just having a hard time breaking that orb.
Yeah.
mm,
I like this 720 reaction on ES.
just watch for that. I think that's that pre-market low. If it's just retesting it.
The problem that I have with that reaction is NQ looks like it wants to break out. Yep. Okay. Yeah, NQ is crazy strong, and that's Nvidia. Amazon also holding very nice
Oh shit.
support. Microsoft also.
Something's gotta be.
Okay. This is a key level for NQ. If NQ can break these pre-market high, I
Watch.
think we
Yeah, I
can
was gonna.
have a lot more upside. All-time high, or at least 25,000. Ew, ugly reaction there.
I was watching 915 as a rejection,
Mm,
like a sweep.
yeah.
So I'm just gonna. I don't want to long into that area.
Whoa. Okay.
Stick push. I got trailed out, but that was nice.
Okay.
Gold's up there too, eh? It's like come right to the high again.
Oh yeah. So it's right at a 50% of like this trend that I've got going. It top ticked it right at that 857.7. And I was like just getting back from the gym and I couldn't even log in quick enough. I wanted to try to take that bottom at like 840. I couldn't even log in fast enough though. But man, it looks clean.
I want to see this candlestick
Definitely.
closing strong, this 5 minute candlestick, and then the next one give me a pullback or maybe see some consolidation to enter longs.
You said you were looking at what for pullback?
Yeah, pullbacks or
ADR?
some consolidation to 920, 910. I don't know if I'm gonna get it, to be honest. It looks like it just wants
I
to
like that. I
go.
kind of got an old level. Yeah, I don't want to. I got a level there at like 914.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, I like that for a pullback if we get that.
But yeah, still having a lot of trouble to go higher. Okay. Morning, V. Okay. Can we have a pullback now? Okay. I like this pullback here. I'm gonna start buying.
Yeah, I just picked up one.
Nice. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna start looking some profits. That was a beautiful, perfect pullback.
Yeah, it was pretty nice. What are you doing here, ES?
I think EAS wanna go lower, but NQ is crazy strong. And if NQ can break 960, I think it's gonna go back to 25,000 and then all-time high.
See if ES gets us a pushback here.
Come on, go to 2060. Yeah. And like if we can consolidate above support here, I think that's a pretty good opportunity to buy and wait for more upside. Video is right at resistance, so that it's, I think that could give us a pullback here or a little bit more of consolidation until Nvidia breaks 184, 185.
It looks like it wants it, but yes, I think just still holding us down here.
Yeah, but I like it. I like this consolidation. On NQ, I don't like ES. We have data in 2 minutes.
I think it's pending home sales.
And this market is, forget about a bear trend, just buy the dip. I bought it last week. I bought a bunch of stocks and I'm already up. Like I bought them on Thursday and Friday and I'm up a lot with options. Like a lot.
Nice.
Yeah, I like these consolidations, looking pretty good. I'm only holding 2 micros, 2 runners. But I think if I see NQ going lower to 920, 920, 915, even 910, and it holds there, I might add more.
What an ugly sweep right there, though.
Yeah. Damn.
And I almost added to my position.
This is like a gap, it looks like on the hourly. Looks like there's a little gap from last Monday. Maybe not. I don't think so. I think that 915 retest is still would be very clean to see. Still would like to see that.
Yeah, I agree. That's the one I have marked that I'm waiting for. Probably load up.
Let's see how
Probably full
unclear.
port. Is that what you meant?
Yeah. Because right now I'm only doing like 5 micros at a time. But there
Mhm.
I feel like I might go a little bit heavier.
Man, it still looks strong though. It's like it doesn't want to.
I don't like longs here.
You do?
No.
Oh, I couldn't hear you.
Look at where SPX is. 6670 is a heavy area. You kind of rejected from here once. We're testing it now.
Do I still have bull? Yes, I do have bull. My contracts are for next week. I got in last week. And I have lips and I have a bunch of shares also. I talk about my bull trade here. I've been talking about bull for like 3 months already. I added there a little
GC
bit.
looks like it just wants to pop right here.
Oh yeah, damn.
Beautiful pullback there, 920.
I ended up jumping in at 27, but I would like to see a little more.
I'm gonna take more profits here. Holding 2 runners again. Yeah, TTD is flying. Yeah, that was a beautiful, beautiful play. I'm still holding. It looks like it wants to go to above 50 and then 51.50 and then 52. TTD, that chart, I bought a bunch of shares also because I think this chart has a lot of potential to go at least. It has 2 huge gaps above. I think it can go to 100. Yeah, it can move over $50 in the next few months.
Nice. That was a nice little push there.
Yeah. NQ needs to break 960.
Yeah, that's like I'm not good at like always clearing old levels because I feel like they always come back. I'm trying to go back to figure out where that level's from.
Oh, it's from
Because it's from like
Tuesday.
975. Yeah. Yep.
You see
Because like
it?
you see how on like the overnight and Monday we just kept bouncing that 975
I don't use
ish.
overnight price action. Only use it on the 5-minute time frame because I only use overnight move on the first few minutes of the market open. I don't use it for my levels.
Sure. Mm-hmm. Whoa.
Okay, I'm gonna lock more profit there. Only
What the
holding one
hell is
runner.
that?
Well, that just popped us to 75. See if that'll clear that.
Yeah, the market looks like it wants more. Yes, super choppy today. NQ very clean. Anyone got that 920 pullback? That was perfect on
Yeah, I took
NQ.
27.
Oh, you took?
Yeah, that was nice. I was watching that on the 2-minute, that like 10:04 candle was starting to show quite a bit more volume.
I want to see now NQ holding here.
Yep.
That was resistance
Mm.
for a little bit. 960, 954, 55. So that will be a higher high. Break and retest here.
I got that I got 930, but yeah, I got that same move. My target was 975 and then 25,000, so halfway there.
I want to see NQ holding 950 here.
There goes GC.
Yeah. I could not believe that move last night. Like I opened up and I think it was 6:15 and it was already up like 18 points. I'm like, what the heck?
Yeah, it's wild.
Okay. Can we hold here? I want to see this 5-minute candle holding 950. Doing that, exactly that. So far, NQ is giving us very nice break and retest all morning. Very
Yeah, that was
healthy
actually a
uptrend.
pretty clean. I was a little more patient on that one. That like build from those like first 15 minutes just looked a little too clean on NQ. I mean, at this point, just give us a 25,000 test.
Yes.
I think we can get there, but the 50-minute candle just closed, and ES is coming into a little bit of a tough zone.
Just buy more.
And not that it helps that much, but just if you're wondering, anyone's wondering, there's nothing moving today at all except for tech. Real estate is flat, barely green. Communications, barely green. Everything else is red. So that's why we're seeing
ES
this.
is having so much trouble going higher, right?
Yeah. Yeah, and we saw there that one candle, which was at 10:05. The rest of the market decided to participate, and all of a sudden things got exciting, right? And then it just dies again.
pretty happy with my day. I'm pretty much done. That was beautiful break and retest to the upside. Oh, thank you. Yes. Yeah, we're doing pretty good with the challenge. I think I'm gonna end it tomorrow because tomorrow is the last day of September. Pretty happy with my day today. Hopefully tomorrow it's green also. We have another green day and I'll be done. Yeah, TTD is looking pretty good. Watch out for AI. AI holding 17 and the VWAP, I think it can go way higher. I think AI is a really nice chart to buy shares or LIPs for 2027 and then just hold it and forget about it. At least that's what I'm doing. I think AI is gonna be like Facebook when it comes to how much they're gonna make with ads and subscription. Okay. Thank you could not hold 950. I think ES wants to go lower and fill the gap.
I don't know if anybody took that retest. We got down to 917.
That was nice. All morning.
Yeah, that
Same
was
level all
clean.
morning.
Mm-hmm.
I got a piece of it. I'm still holding a runner. Is anybody else long?
I'm long
I'm
ES.
done.
I still think we can shoot for 25,000. It's just, it might be a real tough grind to get up there with ES being the way it is. And for what it's worth, that level where ES rejected all morning at 67.19 in market profile, that's I guess a key daily level. So the fact that it's holding it is bullish, or it keeps rejecting it anyways.
Yeah.
I had a nice short on gold, but then I realized that 3850 was a zone, and then I got stopped out. I was up like 1,000, and I'm like, I didn't take profits. I'm like, oh shit, that's a zone. And I only got like $500 out of it.
These 5-minute candles are looking pretty good.
Yes. I think NQ as long as keeps holding above 911. I think it's pretty bullish.
Yeah. I mean, if we're gonna make the move, I don't know, it makes sense to do it now. It's 10:30, but we'll see.
TTD, yeah, TTD flying. That's a beautiful trade. Doing pretty good. Now we have NQ moving in this little range here. It looks like the trades like bull you taken in September is now showing in small account 2025. Yes, it is. It's on the pay section. Everything that I take on the small account is there. It's here, right here. But I didn't take any for September. I took it for next week. Another reaction here. For small account, what would be my top watch? Whatever I post on the small account challenge. And for AI lips, I'm already in AI lips on my main account, also holding a bunch of shares. I know we're reacting here, but I think just by how the market is moving today, it's just better to wait for pullbacks to a strong support and buy the dip than trying to play reactions. Because NQ is clearly making higher highs and higher lows and breaking resistance and then just consolidating and then going to the next one. The next one will be a break and retest here at this high. And then I will say all-time high.
Yeah, that 45 rejection was pretty strong.
Are we gonna have another 920 pullback and bounce there?
I hope not.
You're holding
I
those?
mean, if we're bullish, that I'm long, yeah.
Hmm.
This 41.50 zone, I mean, that's kind of the line in the sand for me. If we breaking it doesn't mean anything, it's less bullish
Hmm.
in my view. But it's tough when the market's kind of choppy and weird like this.
Yeah, we're consolidating here. But yeah, I could see,
Yeah,
I
it
can
is
see
a
like a
tough level.
bigger pullback here.
Yeah, I can see it too, down to 928 area, 26. I just think it's less bullish.
I'm still kind of waiting for that 910, 915 tap
I like that
from those
level,
previous
yeah.
highs. I still haven't even taken a long in that level yet. Just been getting chopped in like 930s, 940s, taking the $100 here or there and break evens. I missed it when I was in gold.
Mm.
See, that 5-minute candle is just ugly. It just
Yeah,
sweeps the high and it comes back down, and it's almost like an engulfing
yeah.
pattern about to
Yeah,
happen.
I don't like anything here, to be honest. Like I post the chart with my support and resistance, so I don't like anything here in the middle. I like it either another pullback to around 920 or break above resistance and wait for a break and retest there. I entered 10 micros. Yeah, today. I wanted to get more, but I was waiting for a pullback to 910, 911. So I was adding on the way down here on this candlestick, and I got most of my entries around 930, 920, 20. Here are my entries and my exits. Yeah, we're just consolidating here and not doing much. But we have Apple just flat, Microsoft pretty much the same, but it's holding above support and it's holding the VWAP. Amazon also flat, but also holding a very strong support in the VWAP. We have Nvidia flagging at resistance. UNH. I don't like trading UNH, to be honest. Um, it's just consolidating after a big push. This is pretty normal. In fact, this is pretty healthy. You want to see a breakout and then pull back consolidation, and that most of the time means that it's gonna keep going on the same direction. Who's trading with me? Ah, the guys from the Futures Challenge, Futures channel. What was that? Who's selling stuff?
Sorry, that's a different alert on my end for something else.
I thought you had like a Shopify alert.
No, sorry. I
No
don't.
worries.
ES is trying again. Let's see if we can do it.
Just remembered I have an appointment that I have to be 2.5 hours, and I am late as hell to get out of here. I was not watching the time at all. I'll have to jump off. I'll see you guys.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
See ya, bro.
See ya. I'm gonna try to jump back on, but I might be done for the day. But
I'm done. I'm definitely done for today. I was waiting to see if we
Yeah,
were gonna
same.
have another pullback to support and maybe take it with a few evals, but I'm done for today.
at this point, I just don't know if I would like to re-long that. Like it'd be kind of. I mean, it's a great level, but at this point, after like kind of a little bit of chop,
Mm-hmm.
I just want to see this keep going. But alrighty, I'm out of here.
Talk
We'll
to you
see you guys.
tomorrow.
See you, man.
Will
Yeah.
I long AMD? That 162 pullback to the VWAP also looks good. Yeah. But it's not really moving. I don't think anything really moving. Like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon, AMD are not really moving. They all look pretty good, but they're not moving. Hood, it's up
I'm starting to
8%
get
today.
traumatized of. So what was that idea?
Hood, it's up 8% today. Oh yeah, I'm happy with for my shares. Yes. What were you saying? Sorry.
I was just saying this price action starting to traumatize me for the past couple of weeks, where it just goes sideways and does nothing.
It looks like for me, NQ
Yeah.
looks like it's flagging.
Yeah, it is. It's just it's taking a
But
sweet
the
time
range
to
is
do
too big
something.
to take this. Like for me, it's just waiting for either a pullback to support or a breakout, a break and retest above resistance.
I went to go buy some of that trade desk this morning, put my orders in, and next thing you know, it's up $1 out of nowhere. And it looks like I missed that entry.
That chart it looks so good. Like I think it has a lot of potential. I have options for next week, 3 weeks out, 2027. I bought a bunch of shares. I'm like all in. Same thing with PayPal.
PayPal, eh? Yeah, I see what you're saying. A lot of these ones they've just been consolidating for so long.
Yeah, the bigger the consolidation, the bigger the boom boom.
Yeah, no, it's just
And
a lot of tech
Q4 is
stocks have the same
coming. Like the
pattern.
holidays for PayPal we should see a big move or a bullish move at least.
Yeah, the weekly chart doesn't look super exciting, but I could see it turn into something for sure.
You think it's ever trade?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll send you my chart. What I'm looking on PayPal.
Five-minute on NQ looks kind of flaggy, like it's
Yeah,
about to pop,
definitely a flag
but
there. Yes.
I still don't trust it.
Nvidia flag, it's flagging, yes, needs to break 184, 185. Is that all-time high for Nvidia? Yep, all-time high, needs to break that. My price target for TTD, yeah, the first one I will say 50. Yeah, around 50 will be the first one. Okay, I'm done. I'm done here. This is taking forever to do anything. Pretty happy with my day. We were very patient and took an A+ setup, so I'm happy with today. Watch out for either a pullback here again and hold, or a break above this resistance. Most likely, if can break this resistance, it's gonna go to all-time high. Yes, pretty choppy. But yeah, I'm done. I'll talk to you guys mañana. Bye.